In this lesson, you will learn how a 3D printer creates a solid physical object. You will study additive manufacturing, printing materials, direct and binder printing, the production stages, and common uses. What is a 3D printer? A 3D printer is an output device that creates a solid object from a digital design. It builds the object using many thin layers. Materials may include resin, metal, paper, ceramic, or liquid polymers. Additive manufacturing. Three-dimensional printing uses additive manufacturing. This means material is added layer by layer until the object is complete. Subtractive manufacturing works differently because it removes material from a larger block. Printer size and movement. Three-dimensional printers come in many sizes. The print head may move from left to right and also move up and down. This allows the printer to place material at different coordinates and build the object vertically. Direct 3D printing. Direct 3D printing works in a similar way to an inkjet printer. The print head moves across the build area and places material exactly where it is needed. The object grows upward one thin layer at a time. Binder 3D printing. Binder printing uses two passes for each layer. The first pass spreads a layer of dry powder. The second pass sprays a binder, similar to glue, onto selected areas. The bonded powder forms part of the object. Newer printing technologies. Some newer printers use lasers or ultraviolet light to harden liquid polymers. Only the required areas are hardened. This method can create detailed, accurate, and complex objects. Creating the design. The process begins with computer-aided design software known as CAD. The user creates a digital model. The completed design is then prepared in a format that the printer can understand. Setting up and printing. The correct material is loaded and the printer is set up. The object is then built layer by layer. Each layer may be around 0.1 millimeters thick, so large objects can take several hours. Finishing the object. The object may not be ready immediately after printing. Supports, loose powder, or uncured material may need to be removed. Some objects also need washing, cutting, or curing before use. Complete process flow. Remember the 5 main stages. Create the CAD design. Prepare the printer file. Set up the printer. Build the object layer by layer. Finally, remove, clean, and finish the object. Medical uses. Three-dimensional printers can create customized prosthetic limbs that fit an individual person. They can also produce accurate models or parts for reconstructive surgery based on medical scans. Industrial and design uses. Aerospace companies can create lightweight and specialized parts. Artists and fashion designers can produce custom shapes. Three-dimensional printers can also recreate obsolete parts for older machines or vintage cars. Common exam mistakes. A 3D printer does not simply print a picture. It creates a physical object. Always use the phrase layer by layer. Do not confuse additive manufacturing with subtractive manufacturing, and remember that finishing may be required. Quick review. What type of device is a 3D printer? It is an output device. What is additive manufacturing? It means building an object layer by layer. Uses include prosthetic limbs, surgery, aerospace parts, artwork, and replacement parts. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more IGCSE Computer Science revision. Visit www.tuitionharbor.com or email hello@tuitionharbor.co.uk.